Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to show you how I style or curl my new long bob because many of you asked me for this video and I rarely do hair tutorials because that's just not my jam usually. But this is something that so many of you asked for that I decided I'm going to go ahead and share this with you. So when I blow dry my hair, I use the Caviar CC cream from Alterna, as you can see. I use this a lot. This is a leave-in hair protector. And then I also use the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Full Form Mousse in my crown to give a little volume. And this is to the second day hair. And then I have some like products I use afterwards that I'll share with you in a second. So first off, I'm going to section off the back of my hair because I'm going to do that first. Because like the hairs in the back are a little bit smaller, like shorter. God, it's so hot today. And this is a Numi 5-in-1 wand. It came with like different attachments. This is the, I think it's the 1-inch. Yeah, the 1-inch. And I'm going to use a glove because Lord knows I'm accident prone. And I most likely will burn myself, especially now that I'm not looking in like my regular mirror. It does come with this glove. Fancy, right? Okay, so the trick to this hairstyle is to curl in different directions. So I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand, and I do hold a little bit of the ends off of the wand, and depending on how thick or thin your hair is would be how long I would suggest putting, like leaving it on the curling wand. I do about 10 seconds for my hair because it's pretty coarse. Alright. So I'm curling some sections away from my face and some sections toward my face. You'll be able to see it a little bit better once I work towards the front. So this one I'm curling towards my face. See how I'm leaving a little bit off of the wand because it gives a little bit more of that beachy loose wave, and that's what I'm going for. This one I'm going to do towards my face too because a lot of the ones on top of this are going to be away from my face. It didn't curl long enough. There we go. And I should probably change hands with the glove, but I'm not. I am not suggesting you don't wear the glove, but it's annoying the crap out of me, so. You can see I'm curling that one towards the face. Hope you guys can see that. And this one I'm doing away from the face. And this does tend to give more volume and that beachier wave. This one I'm doing towards the face. This one I'm going to do away from the face because it's framing my face more. You guys seeing how it's coming together? The ones in the front of the face always do away from your face. Like curl away from your face because you want it to frame your face a little more. Okay, so there's one side. I've got all of the curls done, I'm going to run my fingers through them, kind of separating it all. And then I'm going to use a texture spray. So right now I'm using the Garnier Fructis Texture Tease. Really inexpensive and awesome. It smells great too. But I also love the Triple Sec from Dry Bar, the 3-in-1. It gives texture and it's like a dry shampoo too. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just lift sections of my hair and spray this through. See how much texture and volume that gives? It's insane. And it kind of gives a little bit of hold too. I do put a little bit of hairspray in too. Alright, and there you have it, you guys. That's all I've been doing. And then sometimes if I feel like it looks like a little too like dry on the ends, I'll use my agave oil. And sometimes I'll use hairspray. I'll link down below all the products I used today, including the hairspray that I usually use. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this quick hair tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.